Alright, what up y'all? It's Matt's shop. So I got a quick little tip slash secret for y'all today on these Chevy Silverados. So this is an '06 Chevy Silverado, and this should work on a '03 to the 2007, because in 2007, if y'all know Silverados, then they went 2007.5 is like the really new body style, and then 2007 to 2003 is the other body style, which is what this is. So if you have a seat that looks like this in your back of your truck, this is an extended cab, by the way. Crew cabs might be different, I don't know, but if you have a seat like this, more than likely this will work. What you do is, now this is meant primarily for like car audio guys, so that you can access this back panel back here, because the way the seat is now, you pull on it and it's not going anywhere. No matter what you do from the factory, this seat will not come down. So what I did is, now what you do is you pull this lever, lift up, and bear with me, it's one-handed here, this camera. Pull it down and you can see the whole seat. Now you see the whole seat comes down like this now. And what the tip is, what the trick is here, is right here. What you do is, you cut that right there. It has a little knob and it's shaped almost like this. This, whatever this shape is, it comes out like this. It looks like a finger. Like that. And you cut the tip off of it so it looks like that. You cut the tip off of it so it looks like that. And you just do it right about there, right at the end of this little bulb. And what that does, and then you file this down so that it's smooth. And what I did with this is I used the angle grinder and protected all of this stuff from the sparks, and made sure the sparks shot, away. How this works is, this goes over that and it clamps down like that. And same on the other side. Now, to make the seat come all the way down like this, there are these cables right here. They're like some kind of safety cable, and I'm pretty sure it's for the car seats. And you can see I cut one of the car seat mounts. That's what these things are. Right here for a car seat. Cut those out. I cut this one out right here because I had to fit that, because you can see it pushed this in, and I've already had this amp all apart. And don't buy Hyphonics, that's another video. But I had to take this off because it was hitting my amp. So if you want it to come all the way down, basically take this off. There's one right there, and then on the other side, the other cable is right there, tip of my finger. And those just go on here like this, and I guess they just stop the seat from coming forward, extra protection for the child safety seat. But I just wanted to show y'all that real quick, because I'm working on this sub, and it's always a pain to get access back here. A pain. It would only go to right here, even with this mod done. So I said, you know what, the heck with it. I don't have a child. I don't know anyone that does, so I don't need this. And I'm not into single moms, so I don't need that. Right? So we're gonna leave it unbolted. And yeah, that's it. Now to relatch it. Okay, you fold it up till it hits, pull down on your cord, lift up, and then you gotta make sure that this is pushed up against here. You gotta make sure it locks good, and now you're good. So I just figured I'd share y'all that little tip real quick. Just share that little tip with y'all. And if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you check out me working on this sub right here, because my sub went out on me. Make sure you check out that video. And alright y'all, thanks for watching. If this video helped y'all out, and if I blew y'all's minds, which I know I did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below for more you know, automotive type tips like this. Later.